What's up, guys? It is Joe here, and today I'm doing a video on Star Wars fan art. So yes, let's just, one second, dive right into this. This is very interesting. So it looks like it's like after Order 66, cause you can see oh, I'm confused on this one, so we're just gonna skip this. Oh, okay. Okay. I do like this one. I don't know, there's something about Luke's outfit that's nifty, and just the fan art, the way that the Vader's is like the main. This is about everything about this. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, this one's kind of cool with the AT-AT in the background. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't even see that's Darth Vader. That's really weird. Alright, let's move on. This one's okay. This one's confusing, because here's obviously First Order, but here's a normal stormtrooper, so I don't know what's up with that. Oh, that's interesting. Wow, that's actually quite scary, actually. Yeah, let's move on. Oh, nice. There's whatever that is. Okay. Han and Chewie, nice, nice.